Over the past few years, we've experienced an incredible amount of blizzards, but nothing like one in the 1800s. The blizzard of 1888, referred to as the Great White Hurricane, was the most massive snowstorm in U.S. history. It affected the East Coast, but mostly over New York, New Jersey, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. Powerful blizzards usually form when the jet stream dips far to the south, allowing dry polar air from the north to clash with the warm, humid air, pushing it all the way to the south. It dropped 55 inches of snow and had sustained winds of more than 45 miles per hour that produced sound drifts in excess of 50 feet. Railroads were shut down and people were restricted to their own homes for up to a week. Telegraph lines were disabled and emergency services were also affected. This led to completely damaged infrastructure. It killed 400 people, fire stations were mobilized, and property lost from fire alone was estimated at $25 million, where it would be $700 million nowadays. Thanks for watching Fast Facts. Hopefully you learned a little something.